What are you doing? Why you play like you were playing before? Oh, you got an itch? These might be possibly the two cutest puppies. They've got the cutest puppy bellies. I don't have my contacts in, so I don't know if it's blurry or if it's just me that's blurry.